NH₄-N Ammonia sensor supports 1 point and 2 points calibration. Calibration tool, as above. Before calibration, add NH₄-N activator to the calibration standard solution. NH₄ ionic activator is added at 2% of the volume of the standard solution. Red power, VCC. White 485B. Green 485A. Black ground, GND. Bare wire shield. Connect the power supply. Part 1 NH₄-N Ammonia sensor. 1-point calibration routine. Before calibration, remove the protective cover from the front of the sensor. Wash the sensor with deionized water and dry it with a dust-free cloth. Put on the black protective cover on the front of the sensor. Connecting the sensor to the cable. USB converter connects to computer. Put the sensor into the 10 mg L standard solution. Open the software on the computer. Click Connect, Measurement, and Start to get the real-time measurement of ammonia sensor. Click Stop to end the measurement. Then click Calibration to start calibration. Change the first solution to 10, then click 1 point. Wait for 1 point calibration value to stabilize. Calibration value stabilized, click OK. Tips: calibration succeeded. Then click OK. Click Start. Check that NH₄-N value is close to 10 mg L. Measured value is accurate. Click Stop. 1 point calibration is finished. Part 2 to NH₄-N Ammonia sensor. 2-point calibration routine. Remove the protective cap on the front of the sensor. Wash the sensor with deionized water and dry it with a dust-free cloth. Put on the black protective cover, then connect the sensor to the cable. Then place the sensor into 10 mg L standard solution. Open the software on the computer. Then click Connect and Measurement. Click Start to get the real-time measurement of the pH, NH₄-N, and temperature. Click Stop to get the measurement. Click the first solution to 10, change the second solution to 100. Click 2 points to start the calibration. Wait for calibration value to stabilize in first solution. Calibration value stabilized. Click OK. Next, remove the sensor from the first standard solution. Wash the sensor with deionized water and dry it with a dust-free cloth. Then put the sensor in the second standard solution, 100 mg L. Next, look at the software on the computer. Wait for calibration value to stabilize in second solution. Calibration value stabilized. Click OK. Tips: calibration succeed. Then click OK. Click Start. Check that NH₄-N value is close to 100 mg L. Measured value is accurate. Click Stop. 2 points calibration is finished. We understand your needs.